guys, my name's Leanne and I was lucky enough to be selected to review the Kleenmaid Eco Sensitive stainless steel dishwasher. This is it here. The kids have been helping me get a few bits and pieces to test out the dishwasher for its first run. Got a lot of baked on or stuff that's been kind of sitting here for, I would say at least 24 hours, so it'll be interesting to see how well it performs. One of the features that I really liked about it is the fact that the program buttons are actually located on the inside of the door. This dishwasher has an inside light so you can actually see what you're doing, and it has a cutlery drawer, top rack, and then the bottom rack. So the dishwasher is now full, so it's just a matter of us turning it on and getting it started. Lots of different programs to choose from, and just keep going through the programs. I'll go with auto, and that's pretty much it. Close the door and it should get started. Once you close the door, the program that you select and the time that's left and other info is just on the panel at the front. So the items have come out of the dishwasher and I'm pretty wrapped with the results. Everything is clean. So there you go guys, I'm really happy with how my Kleenmaid dishwasher has performed, and that's only after one wash. So looking forward to testing it out further over the next couple of weeks. Thanks guys.